Philippe can explain you a little bit how it works. We just program a square with a round on it.
Okay.
And he applies some bevel on countersink. Countersink is a bevel.
Okay.
And do you have some bevel on the side too?
No, the other piece.
On the other piece. You program two pieces. Then you just program it and load it in the controller. And then you're ready to go.
But you have to shape manager with a basic shape.
If you don't want to use a CAD software, you can, and you want to do a quick flange, you can use the controller to program it right on the CNC.
Okay.
Ah, il y a peut-être le laser qu'on pourrait montrer.
Il n'est pas paramétré, mais on peut l'allumer. Je veux dire, le laser l'autre bord.
Le pointeur là.
Ah, ok. Je sais pas si.
Il commence par le truc à pied, ça. Right now he's moving the torch to the start of the part.
But this is manually moving.
Right now you do it manually, but he will show you with the laser after if you want. But manually you just put the corner of the torch.
It's a small plate.
Nothing good. No. This is 130 amps. You can show him the side of the crop. It's very quick. No slag or snap. We will do another one with un copy direct ou dans le haut.
Ça, c'est un V, no style.
You do a V bevel all around and an A bevel on the other side. And this pig.
Ouais, il doit être bon pour s'enlever assez facilement.
The slag is very easy to remove. It's very easy to remove. You don't have to grind it, but this is the worst case when you cut in a cut. C'est assez lavant en ce moment chez Talumi. Laser is not functional. But usually when you put the offset, the laser pointer will appear on the plate, and you put the laser pointer in the corner, and after that the torch will take the same place as the laser.
So this one will be easier to coordinate?
Yeah, it will be easier to see the laser on the corner of the plate, and after that the torch will take the place of the laser. And you can take a plate alignment. You can see there's a tutorial on the screen. The plate alignment, and it's very friendly user.
Bottom left, to top left, and if the plate is not square, the plate is aligned.
It's a step-by-step instruction on the screen, very friendly to use.
I believe we need 1 month demo training.
No.
In our factory.
Yeah?
Demo, just to practice. So we can do like this.
Yeah. Because when the technician will install a machine, he will give you some days of training, and after that we can support you by taking the control of your screen distance.
So the technician will come from here
Yeah.
and will stay with us 2 weeks or?
I think so, yeah, for sure.
Start tomorrow.
For the training, how many days do you...
For training?
Yeah.
So actually it's going to be for a beam cut, it's the regular one, it's like 2 weeks for the...
Just for the beam cut?
For the beam cut, and then plate cut, 1 week from the technician from Canada, and our technician from Dubai is going to be for 2 weeks.
Okay. But our guys from here will be
This
there.
is for training or installation
Installation
time?
training, yeah, it's installation training, it's going to be 2 weeks total. So for a plate cut
But
machine,
the effective time for installation?
it's going to be, for a gold cut machine, it will be done in less than 3 to 4 days time.
Okay.
So 4 days time the installation is done. So the rest of the time they are going to do the training and doing the cut samples.
So 3 weeks you...
No, 2 weeks.
2
total,
weeks.
Yeah, 2 weeks is going to be our team. This is like with the technicians coming from Canada, but the technician from Dubai, he will be extend his stay and he's going to support your team, okay, for more time.
What I'm thinking to do, to have demo operation for 2 weeks or 1 month. We will do flanges.
Okay.
Because this is the main aim of our blade cutting, to make our exhaust flanges and this piping flanges also. And for beam cut, for pipe cutter.
Yeah.
So let's do is to meet our requirement for 3 or 2 weeks. Later we will be on operation.
No, that's what each machine it's have its own standard installation training plan.
We don't want to be in operation and stuck. We want to be satisfied, everything is okay.
No, that's what
Operator is well trained, he made 10 pieces here and there. خلاص, done.
You're right.
It's
Yeah,
great.
actually,
It's easy for everybody.
based on our experience, the 2-3 weeks, the 2 weeks is more than enough to make your team
Familiar?
running on their own. But the thing is, the technician from Canada, they will come back after 2 weeks, but the additional extended support will be provided from the local technician from Dubai.
We want to use him in this.
Yeah, he will, let's say, whenever there is an issue, he will be the one come and help you on the actual job. If
So
suppose
to kill the time, we want to have pre-installation checklist.
that will provide, yeah, for all the
We'll show
machines.
you during the presentation.
Yeah, great.
So, and also we request picture from the site where the beam cut or the table will be installed. So it's giving us the possibility to validate that you are ready and really ready before we're sending someone. We face the situations where we're sending our technician and the place was not ready, like the electricity and everything that is necessary to make the system work. That was not ready, so our technician was there and it was not doing his job.
So what are mainly you need? You need air compression.
The floors
the floor,
should be ready,
slab,
concrete should be ready, and the utilities, the water, the electricity, air and gas.
Okay. There is a paper with a check mark on it, so it's really easy.
What is the requirement? What is like a volume, pressure, rating?
Okay, great. Okay, understood.
Thank you, Philip.
Thank you.
So how do you find 5 metal head, 5 axis head? Good?
Yeah, good.
The result
Really
is good too?
Yeah,
Yeah? There's some things that,
but some slag need to be grinded speed.
yeah, and it's always depend of the consumable you will use and also the recipe you will use in the plasma, because with some thickness you will be drag free, slag free, and some others you might generate. And you got this through the cut chart, what consumable to use. But it's really smooth, it's really compact, and also it's protected against collision. Let's say someone just forget his diamond, you will get the torch, the magnet torch, so you will not damage your quick cutting. And it's easy to replace.
There's a switch, a magnetic switch, that will tell to the controller that the machine will pause. You can look what's happening, put the torch back and start it again.
Similar kind of magnet disconnecting also in beam condition.
We should add water or something.
For what? For the table?
This is water.
This is a water table.
Small
Beam
one,
extractor.
The water catch all the dust and the smoke.
In our offer we have this dust collector or
No, actually I
something
given as an
else?
optional item. If you remember, in one of the communication I discussed about adding the fume extraction system. You told me after seeing the machine we can make the decision.
Yeah.
So there is two options. One is when you are building the table, and if you are building the table for a water table, then there is no need of a dry fume extraction system. If you are building the dry table, then only we need to go for the.
We have the right table.
Then we need to add the fan and filter.
Okay.
Okay, so that will be like that will
This
remove
one
the.
is a dumb draft system. You can see the door, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have 4 zones and the ducting that goes
I
outside.
can show you the fan and filter. I think here they use a small one, not this one. There is a bigger video.
Yeah, this
Oh, the
is
smaller one.
It's
a
only
smaller
a
one.
fan.
It's only the exhaust. There is no filter.
Yeah,
This is
because we don't cut a lot, it's only for demo, but usually you need the dust collector with filter.
somewhere on the other side.
we got one on the side of the shop.
Yeah, I've seen some.
One big unit, we got a bigger dust collector system. You want to see a bigger?
No, that's what we will be supplying with this machine in case if they go for
Is it the
dust collector.
GX? That is the size? Is it the
With the beam cut machine, it's already included.
Yes.
But for the plate
yes.
cutting, it's like I given
It's
as
still
optional.
Still optional.
Yeah, it's optional since we don't know whether you are going for a water table or a dry table. If you are going for a dry table, then we need to go for the fume extraction system. It's the same kind of same kind of setup.
So what is the selection criteria here, water or dry? And if I am your customer, recommend one for me.
No, actually there are pros and cons. If you go with the water table, since there is water underneath the material, and if I am cutting with the carbon steel material, and after the cutting, there may be chance of the carbon steel material will be oxidized.
Okay.
And again we need to do cleaning.
Rusted.
That's the one thing, rusted. Okay. Second thing is, since whenever I am cutting, that the torch will come in contact with the material which is already in, filled with water. So the consumable life will be reduced compared to the dry table. So the dry table it's clean. There is no rust on the material. Consumable life is extended.
The cut quality is
Better.
So dry with
table.
dust collector.
The dry is a better option
With dust collector.
with the dust collection.
with dust
yeah.
collector.
but you need to pay for the dust collector.
Yeah.
No, they already know. We already given us the option. It's right. Yeah.
But that's the worst case. Pay for the dust collector.
Yeah.
But the cut quality is better. The
Consumer life increase,
is better.
Material
and,
also
you
clean.
don't have rust underneath.
Yeah, and
Aluminium also is better. It's
Yeah, if you
not
cut
dangerous.
aluminium, I don't know if you cut aluminium.
You plan, but it's safer. With water, it's dangerous because it might create explosion.
Yeah.
Nitric acid. Almuna.
Yeah, dangerous.
Mainly carbon steel, and we have one or two items stainless steel. And for bus bars, this is copper.
Okay.
Aluminum rarely we are using.
Yeah.
Yep.
Do you want to see the parts?
So we have a big chunk of spare parts consuming
All the spare parts
Yeah.
are over there.
So for all the machines.
You have also in charger.
But it's a small one.
you
like
can import
we
from
keep only critical parts. Yeah. But here it's like they're covering a lot of models and
So in case I want something from here,
they will ship it immediately.
1 week,
No, on the same day.
same day.
Yeah, same day it will be shipped
it's
out.
very quick.
So it's going to take like the courier time, like
It's a light material or
based on what kind of material. So maximum you can say 5 kgs maybe the maximum.
We do the cleaning and painting here. And this is the weld.
So here it's like mostly a standard fab shop. So it's here the process is starting. So we weld. Everything has been managed externally through here.
All the fabrication done in-house. Also we have one more shop where they do the cutting of the material.
We have another shop in Victoriaville. It's about half an hour from here that we do all the laser cutting, plasma cutting, bending, and welding. But we do some welding here, but we split the job. But we do everything in-house.
In-house. Yeah. So more control on the quality.
bending option we cannot include in this beam cut.
Building?
Okay.
We're welding,
Bending.
Bending.
أيوة, bending.
Bending, what kind of activity you want to bend? It's a
The
plate.
plate itself.
We have the press brake, new the press brake. They're looking for a bending.
No, it's left for the show, I think.
No, we recently introduced a product, a press brake, which can bend the sheets. So they're looking for a solution also to bend the.
Oh, yeah, we have been press
For
brake.
2 mm blade,
Yeah, it's easy.
easy.
We have that. And we will see.
We
if
can
have
include
one.
it in gold cut machine.
This is the downdrafted door, big one. Here we do all the laser
ऐसे हम बाहर हम लेके जा सकते हैं घर में आपके रहेगा.
and tube laser.
Okay.
Ah, je sais pas si l'emmener au shoot.
C'est la électrique.
It's a completely laser cutting manufacturing area.
So here is the laser division. So we're doing
All
the setup
laser
for
cutting.
doing the setup before we're shipping the laser.
All for laser is our own product. It's
So what is different between laser and plasma right now?
this is for
يعني
a thin
why
sheet.
why you went with this plasma, not with
No, based on the thickness. So actually laser is good up to thickness like 10-15 mm. Okay, in your case the thickness
The
is
laser is more
also expensive also. For the same size the price may be more than double or triple.
Yeah, maybe triple.
This is mainly for component manufacturing or for thin sheet metal work.
This is the press brake.
sorry?
The press brake for bending.
To bend the material.
It's a big one. We do a small one too.
What is size you're looking for, sir? Thickness?
2
minimum,
mm
Maximum?
and the bending will be 20 mm.
2 is the minimum, 20 is the maximum.
It's 2 mm.
All the time 2. So
Maybe a
there's
smaller
one. Do we have a smaller machine?
Yeah.
So width of the sheet?
2 meter.
2 meter.
The plate
2 by 6?
2 meter by 2 meter. Blended
No,
one.
the length of the plate.
2
2 by-
meter by 2 meter.
2 meter.
2 meter by 2 millimeter.
2 millimeter.
Yes.
Small machine.
Yeah, we can have a
I
small
want to make panel.
So we do have a machine.
Yeah.
We do the press
Because
brake.
not only skid base we are manufacturer. We have soundproof enclosure.
Okay.
We are manufacturer this one locally.
Okay.
We want to do in our house,
Okay.
which require to have bended blade.
What is the
2
capacity?
mm technical.
Big one?
But I think we can bend 3/4 of an inch. Depending on the width. If you have full width, I think it's maybe half of an inch. I think it's 220 tons.
We will add it as an optional.
Okay. I'll get the pricing from them for the smaller.
2 meter
press brake.
wide.
Yes.
Maybe a little bit
Maybe we can go
more.
for 5 mm, 5 or 10
Only
mm.
2 mm thickness.
Yeah.
Only.
Maximum 5 mm.
Maximum 6 mm.
Okay, capacity, yeah. 6
Maximum
mm.
5 mm, 6 mm.
So that will help you.
Brother.
Yeah, another product.
Soundproof enclosure manufacturing.
Yeah. So this is a big machine for tubes and
Now this one has a tube loader, automatic chuck, and tube cutter. It goes to 150 millimeter.
I think 250. 250 by 250 maximum.
We can have
Between 250 by 250 we can process square tube, beams, channels, as well as the pipe, circular pipe.
Okay. Clear.
fully automatic.
On s'en va pas pour la présentation, on va demander.